The best YouTube cameras will give your content and your channel a real boost. It's no exaggeration to say that your YouTube content can be transformed by the right camera gear. And that's where our guide to the 5 best cameras for YouTube you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Throw it in a lake, drop it off a mountain, or bounce it along on a mountain bike. If you need extreme durability, GoPro is the way to go. If you want to record your sports activities on the YouTube channel, the small and durable GoPro Hero 10 Black is perfect, no matter how extreme. This new version has been updated to compete with rivals like the DJI Osmo Action and includes a handy front screen that facilitates selfie vlogging. High-resolution photos plus videos, high frame rate, step up to the sharpest shooting GoPro ever. Upgraded to incredible 23-megapixel photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 FPS. Hero 10 Black offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus, there are 8 times slow motion at 2.7K, and you can pause videos and grab 15.8-megapixel still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. It also has the finest hyper-smooth 4.0 image stabilization feature that allows you to capture smooth and steady footage when being thrown around in extreme conditions. With a large capacity, 1,720 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery that provides tons of juice, the Hero 10 lasts 2 hours on a charge, depending on your settings. Number 4. Sony ZV1. The new Sony ZV-E10 spiritually replaces it, but the ZV-1 is a great option without having to mess with lens replacement. Some may dismiss the ZV-1 as another variation on the Sony RX100, but that's not all. The sensors and lenses may be familiar, but the body, controls, sound, and rear screen are all new, different, and optimized for vlog. With 20.1 megapixel stacked pack-illuminated 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor with DRAM. Large aperture 24-70mm 1 f1.8 to 2.8 zeiss Variosonor T lens, the ZV-1 shoots in 4K up to 30p and Full HD up to 120p, and decent 4 to 5 minutes of recording. This one is great, and the ZV-1 is fun to use. Not least because here, at last, is a vlogging camera that is designed specifically for vlogging, right down to that fully vari-angle rear screen and the supplied mic windshield, which does work brilliantly. It's also a lot cheaper than the flagship Sony RX100 V2 camera, despite offering a better proposition for vloggers. Number 3. Sony A6400. The Sony A6400's front-facing camera is ideal for one-handed videographers who need to talk directly to the camera. There was a 180-degree flip front screen instead of a vari-angle, which would have been better, but if you just need to see yourself, it's not that important. Capture the best of life with an advanced APS-C camera. With a 24.2-megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor, the world's fastest autofocus speed won at 0.02 seconds, advanced real-time IF and real-time object tracking AF with a wide 425 phase or 425 contrast detection AF points over 84% of the sensor, up to 11 FPS continuous shooting with continuous autofocus and auto exposure. If you are the creator of multimedia content, the A6400 is also a great stills camera and can deliver 4K video. If you are the creator of multimedia content, the A6400 is also a great stills camera and can deliver 4K video. We are not convinced by the design. It's almost the same as when the A6000 was released, and it's starting to get a little out of date. However, with its state-of-the-art focusing system and impressive IF performance, we can ignore the design factor. Sony has also brought out the slightly cheaper A6100 and the more advanced A6600, but for us, We think the A6400 is the vlogger's sweet spot in terms of cost and quality. Number 2. Fujifilm XS10. Arguably the best all-around mirrorless camera in this price range, the Fujifilm XS10 is suitable for different types of shots, including vlogging. This is not the cheapest or smallest option in this guide. Previously, the Sony ZV1 was a more compact option, but in terms of quality and cost performance, it is now the top pick for video creators. Combined with the XC15 4-5mm kit lens, you get a great vlogging setup. Inside the XS10 is a proven combination of the 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and the X processor 4. This is what we've already seen on the Fujifilm X-D4. It shoots uncropped 4K or 30p video, has built-in image stabilization to correct handheld jitter, and has a vari-angle screen that flips round to face you. On top of that, it has a cool retro design and excellent comfortable grip, making it a perfect hybrid option for shooting stills. Considering all the features you get, it also comes at a fairly wallet-friendly price. Number 1. Canon PowerShot G7x Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7x Mark III, which is extremely popular among YouTubers, is a compact camera designed to do anything with impressive specs while being lightweight enough to be handheld and easy to use. Its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor uses a stacked design, which pairs with the Digic 8 image processor to realize especially fast focusing performance. Optically, the G7x Mark III houses 4.2 times zoom lens, which covers a 24 to 100 mm equivalent focal length range for wide-angle to short telephoto fields of view. It's hard to believe that this little camera can record 4K video at 30 FPS, but it's possible and the quality is top-notch. Just bear in mind that this comes with a 10-minute time limit, so you'll need to exercise some forethought when shooting your 4K footage. You can also lower the resolution to HD to unlock 120 FPS super slow motion video. The G7x Mark III also has another ace up its sleeve. It can live stream. If you fancy going live to your channel, you can do so wirelessly and with ease. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.